Hello guys, today I will tell you how to judge the problem of your air suspension after the replacement. And your car may be show the fault after the air shock was replaced. The chassis sounding abnormally during driving. Test method. Control arm's rubber sleeve of the steering knuckle is damaged. 2. Steering ball head wear and tear. 3. The mounting screw of shock absorber top cover is loose. So the solution is to replace the damaged rubber sleeves of the worn parts. When the vehicle starts, the air shock absorber cannot rise, or is too high and too low, or the shock absorber is too hard and uncomfortable. First step, OBD computer resets the chassis height. 2. If still unable to lift, chassis height sensor damage rate is 95%. So you need to replace the height sensor. 3. Air suspension system computer damage rate is 5%. And you need to replace and repair the air suspension computer. After the air shock replacement, the parking state will sink after another day or several hours. So you need to check the pipe and joint between the shock absorber and the valve block. If there's no leakage, please replace the valve block. Our suggestion is to replace the valve block, okay?